morning, everyone. Manny with Ocala Tractor once again, and I gotta tell you, if you're looking for a mower, a mower package, weed eaters, any of that stuff, Ocala Tractor is the only place that you can go and get it. And I'll tell you why. Because here, we're not just gonna point at a mower, push it in the trailer, and set you on your way. We don't. We'll take care of it. We prep it. We make sure that you understand how to use it. And if you have any questions, we have staff on the ground to show you how to ride it, how to work on it, how to do the service. So don't just buy a mower in a place where they're going to push it and make you go away. Come to Ocala Tractor. Get the whole package. Once again, this is Manny with Ocala Tractor, and I look forward to meeting every single one of you.